the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021, day 6. And we just had a thunderstorm roll through here about 10-15 minutes ago. It's starting to clear off to the west, so we should have a good day of picking. Cool temperatures. It's supposed to rain again tonight. It's crazy. We have June, July, August, first part anyways, hardly any rain. And now we've had in the last 5 days, 3 days of rain. So that's life in Iowa. It's raining, so we're roasting hazelnuts. The whole reason we go through this entire harvesting endeavor is to get to the kernels. And hazelnut kernels are delicious, especially roasted. So we have the oven going at 350 degrees, and oh, that's my timer. There's a batch right now. And let me tell you what, folks, the smell is unbelievable. So we roast two cups of hazelnuts, and that's just under a pound. And we're going to put them on the bacon rack there. Give it a little vibrate to get them all evened out. And in they go, 350 degrees for 3 minutes. There they are. The timer just went off. So let's go grab our nuts. Again, unbelievable the smell. How delicious. Give them a little shake. There they are, roasted hazelnuts. A tasty treat, just like that, with salads, with chocolate, with ice cream, you name it. Put some of this in pancakes, and hazelnut pancakes, you'll never go back to regular pancakes again. And there's the chaff, that's the skin that rubs off of the nuts. I'll give it a little blow here. Oh, holy moly. And that's why we do it right there. There's our finished product. We got 5 pounds of roasted kernels in the big bag there. And then each of these smaller bags is a ½ pound. All cleaned up, roasted, skins removed. So that's why we go to all the trouble of hand harvesting all of the hazelnuts, so we can give you the best quality nuts that there are. And you always got to include a little sampler bag. A little sampler bag so they can dibble dabble just a little bit.
Well, the rain's finally cleared out, so we're back to picking here at Nut Haven.
Trying to get every last cluster there. It's the end of a long day picking. We've had to battle the rain, but we got a couple of barrels picked, and that's good news. Well, that's it. The end of day 6, the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021. We had to fight the rain and the storm conditions earlier in the day, but it did finally clear off, and we were able to get back to it. Kind of a wet, soggy day, but we got a couple of barrels picked there, and a couple of more buckets. Those are a couple of test bags. We'll let those dry down and then see what the weight is in there to get a good feel for how many pounds we get in a yellow bucket.